Hello students, let us study about subtraction of algebraic expression today. The difference between two or more like terms is a like term with numerical coefficient equal to the difference between the numerical coefficient of the two like terms. So now children, we know that the word difference means we need to use this sign, the minus sign between two or more like terms. So again, if I have like terms means both the terms need to be same. So in case I have 5x minus 2x is equal to the difference between the numerical coefficients. And we know in this term we have minus 5 as the numerical coefficient, and here we have minus 2 as the numerical coefficient. So on subtracting 5 minus 2, so I will group them together, both the like terms, multiplied by x, because it is 5x and 2x. So 5 minus 3 minus 2 is 3, and multiplied by x will give me 3x. We will understand this better when we solve problems. Children, you need to keep in mind that the terms need to be like terms. Like terms meaning both need to be the same. Only then we can have subtraction. And there is a note given, unlike terms. Unlike terms is if the terms are different. So in case I have 3x and if I have 5y, these both terms are not the same. They both are different. So when they are different, we call them as unlike terms. So unlike terms cannot be added or subtracted the way like terms are added or subtracted. So we can't just write 3 multiplied by x, put it in brackets and write minus 5 multiply by y and then take 3 and y together. That is 3 minus y in one bracket, and the other bracket what I do is multiplied by x into y. This cannot be done because both are unlike terms. We can only do this in case if we had like terms. That is, here also if we had x, and here instead of y, if I had x, then I was able to do this. 3 minus 5 and x. We'll take some problems so that we understand the subtraction of algebraic expression. The first problem, subtract 5 miles from Y. See, this may be seem confusing for some students because here the question is clearly saying minus 5y from Y. So you need to take Y first, and from that you need to take minus 5. This is the correct way. Some of you all may do this way. Minus 5y minus y. After doing this, what I will get? Nothing is there means I know there is a coefficient 1. So minus 5 and minus 1 I will get minus 6y. But this is not what we are asked. In case of addition, we can do this, children. If we were told to add 5y, okay, minus 5y plus y. Then I could easily add this and I could say minus 5 plus 1 will give me minus 4y. But when I have subtraction, and the question is clearly telling me I have to take out minus 5y from y. Children, remember here y is plus y, and we should know that we have this number scale over here and this is 0. The numbers in the right side, these are all positive numbers. So they will be greater than 0 and they will have more value. Okay, level plus value. So here they will have, we have here, this will be 1, this will be 2. Now if we see on the left side, we have minus 1, we have minus 2. Now children, these values all will be negative and these values all will be positive. And the positive values have more value compared to the negative. So this needs to be kept in mind whenever you are given the problems. So kindly read the problems very, okay. Hope this is clear now and you all don't make any mistakes. So it will be by minus, that is because we are told to do subtraction. So minus, and this we are given only minus 5. Now children, we know that whenever we have minus into minus will give me plus. So this will turn out to be y plus 5y, which will be equal to 6y. Again, I will tell your students, please read the question carefully. We are told from y, so y has to come first. Y has to come first, and from minus 5, so minus 5 will come later. And again you need to know this thing, that minus to minus will give me plus. This is very important. We'll take another problem. Again subtract a minus b from a plus. So now children, you all should know that we need to subtract this. So a plus b will come first, then will be minus sign and then a plus A minus B. So something like this. Now what you will do is you can open the brackets. So you will have A plus B as it is, minus sign we have to put both the sides. So minus A will come, and here minus of minus B. Now children, we had just learned that if we have minus into minus, we will get equal to plus. I will get A plus B minus A plus B. Now I know children, if I have minus and if I have plus, I will get equal to 0. Here I have minus A and plus A, which will be 0. Now I have here 1B, 1 is the coefficient, and 1. 1B plus 1B will give me 2B. So, students, today we have learned about the subtraction of algebraic expressions. So we learned that only like terms can be subtracted, and in case we have unlike terms, we cannot add nor can subtract. So thank you, students.